YouTube automation is one of the most profitable and scalable passive income models in 2025. Unlike traditional YouTube channels, you don't need to film yourself, record audio, or edit videos manually. AI tools can script, narrate, create visuals, and edit full videos for you. Once uploaded, these videos continue earning for months or years through ads, affiliate links, and product promotions. Evergreen niches like finance, tech, motivation, self-improvement, and list-style videos perform extremely well. Because AI drastically reduces the time required to produce high-quality content, automation allows you to upload more frequently, increasing your chances of going viral and building a long-term revenue engine. This model is perfect for beginners and advanced creators alike. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of YouTube automation success. Some niches naturally perform better with faceless content and AI-generated visuals. Finance and investing channels are among the highest earners. Motivational, mindset, and personal growth videos pull millions of views consistently. Tech explainers, especially around AI, are trending massively. Travel, luxury, and top 10 ranking videos also work extremely well with AI visuals. Finally, storytelling channels for kids or adults can be fully automated using AI voiceovers and animated clips. Use AI to analyze trending topics, search volume, competitor weakness, and monetization potential. A strong niche gives your channel direction and ensures every video you create has long-term demand and earning potential. AI makes script writing and narration effortless. Start by using ChatGPT or Claude to generate a complete video script, including a strong hook, value-packed body, and compelling conclusion. Ask AI to add storytelling, analogies, pacing improvements, and retention mechanisms like stay until the end to increase watch time. Once your script is ready, convert it into a professional voiceover using tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, or Descript. These tools offer natural-sounding voices that can match any niche: calm for meditation, authoritative for finance, friendly for tech, or energetic for motivation. You can also produce voiceovers in multiple languages to expand your global audience. AI narration allows you to create videos without ever recording your voice, making content production fast, scalable, and low effort. AI video tools eliminate the need for complex editing. Platforms like Pika Labs, Runway, Veed, and Descript can generate B-roll, animations, captions, transitions, and background music automatically. Simply upload your narration, paste your script, or choose a template. AI synchronizes visuals and audio instantly. You can also generate images, infographics, and animations using Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva AI to enhance your video. Many creators use B-roll and stock-style AI footage to match the narration, making the video look polished and professional. Auto captions improve accessibility and watch time. With these tools, you can create YouTube quality videos in minutes rather than hours. This is the core of YouTube automation: fast, efficient, and scalable production powered entirely by AI. Once your video is ready, upload and optimize it for maximum reach. Use AI to generate SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags that match trending keywords. Make eye-catching thumbnails using Midjourney, Canva, or DALL-E. Thumbnails heavily influence click-through rate. Schedule consistent uploads, ideally 3 to 7 videos per week, to satisfy YouTube's algorithm. Use analytics tools to track watch time, retention, click-through rate, and traffic sources. AI can help interpret your analytics and suggest improvements such as better hooks, pacing, or thumbnail styles. As your channel grows, reinvest profits into producing more videos or outsourcing some steps. YouTube automation becomes a powerful passive income machine when paired with AI-driven content creation and consistent posting. Over time, your library of videos becomes a compounding digital asset, generating income 24/7.